le soutien que le prince William a acquis en vivant une vie sous les projecteurs aux côtés du prince Harry pourrait influencer la façon dont lui et Kate, duchesse de Cambridge, introduisent les fonctions royales du prince George et de la princesse Charlotte, selon un expert. Le prince William a partagé un lien fort avec son frère, le prince Harry, de leur enfance à leur jeune âge adulte, forgé par le fait qu'ils ont tous deux grandi sous l'œil attentif du public. Depuis qu'ils sont enfants, William et Harry ont appris ensemble comment se comporter devant les caméras et comment tenir des engagements royaux. Impact on Prince William, who could be trying to replicate this experience when it comes to introducing his children to public duty, it has been suggested. Prince George, 8, and Princess Charlotte, 6, have so far marked some very important royal milestones together, despite Kate and William's daughter being 2 years younger than the third in line to the throne. The decision to have the two young royals face major public moment together may have been made by their parents to provide them with reciprocal support, something the Duke of Cambridge himself used to have with Prince Harry when they were children, leading child psychologist Dr. Alison McClymont claimed. She told Express.co.uk. I think this is possibly down to William's own positive experience having his brother with him through incredibly difficult life stage, and his understanding of the benefit of having a support system next to him and around him. I imagine he wants very much for George to feel supported in his role a future king and he loves the idea of having Charlotte with him to share the responsibility and attention. The major milestones they crossed together, Prince George and Princess Charlotte attended for the first time in 2019 the Christmas Day service at Sandringham St. Mary Magdalene Church. While this is a family outing, the yearly appointment regularly attracts dozens of royal fans, who line up outside the chapel to catch a glimpse of those in attendance. A consequence, the little Cambridge took part together in their first walkabout, during which they exchanged a few words with members of the public while being guided by their parents. Last month, George and Charlotte supported one another with their presence once again as they attended a major engagement, the service of Thanksgiving for Prince Philip. The sibling, under the watch of Kate and William, shook and then spoke with the clergyman welcoming prominent guests at Westminster Abbey ahead of the service. Last week, the brother and sister were also spotted for the first time attending the Easter Sunday service at St. George's Chapel in Windsor. Dr. McClymont believes Kate and William may be introducing their two eldest children to certain duty at the same time not to overwhelm them. She said, they have shown to be very protective parents and they are both aware of the challenge of facing public scrutiny. In William's case, he is aware of the challenge of this at a young age, so likely they want to bring them both together to share the experience and prevent overwhelming the children at a young age. William has been very vocal about the media and the attention towards the royal family, so he is understandably protective of his children and wants to make it as comfortable for them as possible, whilst understanding what the preparation needed for their future role. As the third in line to the throne, Prince George is destined to become king after the end of his father's reign. On the other hand, the role his sister may take on is not yet defined. However, she may inherit the title of Princess Royal, normally given to the sovereign's eldest daughter, and carry out royal work in support of the crown and king much like Princess Margaret used to do with his sister the Queen. While the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge may be already preparing their children for their future life under the spotlight, they have also been adamant in their effort to try and give George, Charlotte and 3-year-old Prince Louis a normal childhood as possible. The doting parents are personally involved in the 3 children's education, they do the school drop-offs and pick-up and try to adapt their working schedule to their needs. While undertaking their tour of 3 Caribbean nations last month, Kate reportedly spent par overnights organizing her children's schedule, including a Charlotte ballet class. Moreover, the couple were able to return from their tour in time to spend Mother's Day with George, Charlotte and Louis. Similarly, prior to their tour of Pakistan in October 2019, Kate and William reportedly managed to drop Charlotte and George off to school and returned in time to spend the weekend with their children.